Hi, this is Denny Lee of Lee Law Office in Omaha, and this is another episode where I answer your estate planning and probate type questions. One of the questions we get frequently is what happens in the early stages of a probate? Many of us know that at the end of the probate, the assets of the person that passed are then distributed to the beneficiaries as named in the will. But one of the very first important things that many people aren't aware of is what's called the notice to creditors. When the original of a will is filed with the probate court, one of the very first things the clerk of the court has to do, pursuant to the Nebraska Probate Code, is to publish in a legal newspaper for that county what's called a notice to creditors. Now, that notice to creditors will appear in the legal notices section of the newspaper. Generally, it's one column, about an inch to an inch and a half in length. And the notice says that Joe died on this date. Joe's will has been submitted to probate in the county court. Mary has been appointed by the court as Bill's personal representative. Creditors of Bill have 60 days from the date of the first publication to file claims against the estate for whatever balance they claim is due, or they're forever barred. I refer to this as the statute of limitations in probate cases. Now, it's very unusual that we don't get claims submitted by creditors in probates. That's really the way that they find out that the person has died. Generally, those claims that we get are from credit cards, Visa, MasterCard, Discover, institutes like that. Those creditors have to be addressed in the probate. Sometimes those are very large claims that the family isn't even aware of. But the advantage of having that 60-day notice period for creditors to file claims is that for those creditors of the person that passed that have not filed claims, then they are forever barred. They cannot assert a claim for reimbursement from the estate or from any of the beneficiaries of the estate. Now, if you'd like more information about probate or estate planning, go ahead to our website at leelawoffice.com. And there's some good information there. If you'd like to watch one of our estate planning webinars, you can sign up for one there. We'll see you next time when I answer more of your estate planning questions.